So to check out the IP table logs, we're going to do a tail F on var log syslog, and then we can grep for scan attempt. All right, so here are some scans that are happening. Here are the source IPs. Here is destination port. Okay, so the scans are happening, yeah? They are running, and they all appear to be open. How do we know that though, right? So here I'm gonna pop over to a Kali machine. Let me grab the IP address. Let's export that target IP address. All right, great. So let's go ahead and do a port scan, right? So we're gonna pose as the attacker so we can see what the attacker is seeing. So let's go ahead and nmap on the target. And here we see that all 65,000 ports are open. And the nmap is basing the service name off of what's typically used on this port. Typically the banner will give information as to which service is running on that port. So in nmap, we will use a script option and select banner. And let's just do that on port 1 through 50. And you can see with the script of banner being used from nmap, it still believes that port 22 is running secure shell. But we moved that over to port 2222, and it still believes that port 21 is FTP, and the same, etc., for all these other 50 ports, right? Now you can have a lot of fun with this, and let me show you how. So let me close out of this port spoof, okay? And let's change directory into the repo, list out, and there is a tools folder inside. Go into there, and you'll see a port spoof.config. So this is an example port spoof configuration file. And the way it works is you specify the port and then what you want to be returned to the scanner.